Have you ever wondered why something falls down when you drop it instead of floating in the air? That's because of gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls everything toward the ground. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls everything toward the ground. It's what keeps you from flying off into space. Gravity works on everything, whether it's my stuffed octopus or a pen. It's also why water in a glass doesn't float away. Adding on to that, there are two factors that decide how strong the gravity is going to be. The first one is mass. In other words, how big and heavy the object is. The second factor is the distance. In other words, how far are the two objects from each other? Let me give you an example. Let's say you weighed 100 pounds on Earth. On the moon, you would weigh only 16.5 pounds. That is over 6 times less the weight you'd be weighing on Earth. But why this giant difference? It's because the mass of the moon is smaller than the mass of the Earth. The Earth is more big and heavy than the moon is. That's why when you're on the moon, you're going to weigh a lot less than if you were on Earth. This is also why objects on the moon fall slower than objects on the Earth, as you can see right here. Finally, let's do a fun experiment to see gravity in action. So right here I have a leaflet, and in my other hand I have a textbook. Now, the textbook weighs way more than this leaflet right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop them both at the same time and see which one hits the ground first. Here's the textbook, and here's the leaflet. Now, you can pause for a second and guess which one's going to hit the ground first. Alright, I'm going to drop them in 3, 2, 1. They hit the ground at the same time. Is that what you predicted? Let me know in the comments below. As you can see, both of our objects hit the ground at the same time. But why is that? That's because gravity affects all objects equally, no matter how much they weigh. Isn't gravity amazing? Now you know why things fall to the ground. Now, if you guys want to go above and beyond, try your own experiment at home. Drop different objects, like a pencil or a toy car, and see how gravity pulls them down. Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more science fun.